I had to move and move quickly. I am not allowed to explore my new surroundings as I am not allowed to leave the house. I have a new name now. I'm a shielder. People, surfaces and the air have become dangerous to me. I am safe in my new home, but I can't sleep, so I leave the house before dawn to explore the wood. The wood has been calling me. Its branch has beckoned me, and so I pay it attention. I respond to its call. I am the wood, and the wood is me. I am the wood, and the wood is me. The wood is me. I am the wood. I am the wood. I am the wood. I meditate, sinking deep into the tree and the earth. The wood tells me to slow down. Trust in the wood. Refresh. Revive. Hide. Pause. I'll keep you a secret. I am the wood, and the wood is me. Trust in the wood. Become nature.